Hello, everyone. This is your boy Arnold Martinez, founder of GarifunaRobics, back with a Punta tutorial. But this time, I'm actually going to go into details and we're going to go into the history of Punta, along with some tips and some tricks when dancing Punta. So let's get into it, y'all. So one thing that I would like to clarify is this. Punta was not formed in Honduras. It was not formed in Belize. It was not formed in Guatemala. It pertained to the Garifuna culture, and it was brought with us when we came from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Now, all these countries adapted to our dance because we adapted in their countries. So just wanted to clarify that before we go any further. Punta was originally a dance of reproduction. We believe that when one spirit departs from this earth, another one enters. Punta originally was danced between male and females during the times of wakes to celebrate a life. Okay, that's the original meaning of Punta. Another thing, kids were not allowed to join. Kids were not allowed to enter the circle when we was dancing Punta with the drums. The females had to wear a skirt. All right, if you thought that you was going to get into the circle with leggings or with pants, being a female, they will stop the drum circle and they will take you out of there. If there was a kid that, that got a little itchy feet and wanted to go in and dance Punta, you was getting taken out the circle within 2.5 seconds. Not even. zero point 0.5 seconds, you was getting taken out. So I wanted to go into, in depth into this because a lot of this part of Punta has not been told. This story of Punta, this history of Punta has not really been told. All right. One important thing that I want to mention too is that it was sensual, not sexual. All right. I want you to remember this: sensual, not sexual. Okay. Throughout the course of time, Punta has definitely has gotten sexualized by Honduras, by parts of Central America. Okay, so I'm here to bring back the history and the facts and the richness of this dance. All right, so let's go into some tips and tricks when dancing Punta. First thing is that although there is a lot of hip movements, number one is that it all starts with the feet. So I'm going to back up a little bit so that you can be able to fully see. Okay, y'all, so I took my step back, so now you should be able to see my feet clearly. All right, like I said, tip number one, it all starts with the feet. All starts with the feet. Don't worry about the waistline first. Think about the feet because there's one foot that goes with the base of the rhythm. The other one simply follows. That is tip number two. One foot goes with the base of the rhythm. The other one simply follows. So I'm going to use my right foot to go with the base. All right, this is my right. This should be your left. Okay, so my right, your left is going with the base of the rhythm. The other one simply follows. So I'm going to go ahead and implement the other foot. Okay, feet, then knees, then hips. So think about the feet first. Think about the feet first, then the knees, then the hips. If you notice, if you bend a little bit more, you're going to see that you're going to have a little bit more waistline because this forces you to use your knees, which is going to give you more waistline movement. All right, you're going to go coast to coast, coast to coast. All right, coast to coast. Tip number three: the harder you stomp, the more waistline you have. All right, you just see it. Use your feet a little bit more, the more waistline you're going to have. Ooh, you getting it, right? You getting it? Oh, you like, oh, yeah. That's right, okay? Tip number four. The original way was flat-footed, okay? Flat-footed. Now we've implemented on our toes. So when you're dancing on your toes, or should I say the puntillas, feet together, never separated, not far away apart. This looks sloppy. You don't want to do this. Don't do this, all right? Feet together all the way up. All the way up. Feet together. It is a continuous movement, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and play the music so that we can do this together with the music and y'all can fully see what I'm talking about. And FYI, this is a real workout, especially on the sand, all right? So let's go ahead and do this, all right? You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's go. Come on.
All right, now. So the first thing we're going to do is identify the base of the rhythm, all right? This is the base. This is the base. Both feet. Now we're going to use my right, your left. Go with the base of the rhythm. That is your base. Stay on that base. Now we're going to implement both feet again. And now we're going to take it to the front. Arms out. Straight forward to the front. Flat foot. That's right. Arms all the way out. Take it back. Arms to the side. Take it back, take it back, take it back. Now back to the front. Cross and out. Arms cross and out. Arms cross and out. One more time. Cross and out. We're gonna turn it out. Turn it out, turn it out, turn it out. Y'all getting it? Y'all getting it? Alright, other way, other side. Flat foot, we're still flat foot. Give me that waistline. Now we're gonna bring it up on the toes. Alright, the puntillas. Remember, feet together, not out. Don't do it out. Alright, we're gonna take it to the side. Take it to the side, take it to the side. That's right, bring it back to the center. Dance it out on your toes, feet together. All the way up, stay up, arms out. And turn it out, turn it out, turn it out, turn it out, turn it out. The puntillas on your toes. Remember, there's one foot that goes at the base of the rhythm, the other one simply follows. Use those arms. Alright, now we're gonna do front and back, front and back, front and back. That foot is going with the base of the rhythm. Front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Go with the base of the rhythm, other foot. Front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Yes, you got this. You got this. Don't be discouraged. Flat foot to the front. Arms out. Give me a little smile. That's right. Hey, turn it out, turn it out, turn it out. And that is your Punta tutorial.
Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope these tips and the history of Punta was very useful and you can implement these tips when dancing Punta. Please leave a comment below, like, subscribe, follow GarifunaRobics on all social media platforms at GarifunaRobics. Visit our website, GarifunaRobics.com. Below, there's some ways on how you can support GarifunaRobics. So if it's within your heart or within your reach to support GarifunaRobics, please feel free to do so. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. We got some more content coming for you, so don't forget to like, subscribe, tune in, and also share the info. Share the info. This has been all for today, folks. Hey!